operators. Next operator name is special operators. What are the special operators? Now I will show you. Okay, we have special operators are address of operator. Okay, next size of operator, and also indirection operator, this is not multiplication, this is indirection operator, asterisk also will call a dereferencing operator, and comma operator. We have these four operators: indirection and address of operator, and size of operator, and comma operator. Okay, these topics, these two operators I will discuss at the time of pointers topic. Now I will discuss size of operator and comma operator. What is size of operator first? Okay, what is size of operator? Size of operator returns size of the data type. Size of operator returns size of the data type. Size of the data type, right? Okay, you know, in C language, compiler dependent. C language is a compiler dependent. Same way, data types also compiler dependent. Depends upon the OS, that sizes will be changed. Okay, assume if you are working with Windows operating 16-bit operating system, okay, or Borland compiler, what are the sizes? Now I will tell you. Example, if I write size of int, what it returns? Or size of 4. What is size of 4? If you write size of 4, now we take it as size of int. Okay, what is size of int? It takes 2 bytes in Borland Turbo C compiler, right? If I write size of 4u, what is 4u? Nothing but it is size of unsigned integer. Right? Size of unsigned integer. What is size of unsigned integer? Here also it takes 2 bytes. Right? Now if I write size of 4l, what is size of 4l? 4l denotes size of, it's a constant, size of long integer constant. Size of long integer. What is long integer? 4 byte it occupies. Okay. Now again, what is size of 4.5f? What is size of 4.5f? What is size of 4.5f? Size of 4.5f is, that is size of float. What is size of float? Size of float 4 byte it occupies. Okay. Now if I write size of 4.5, what is size of 4.5? If you are not mentioning anything, that is size of double it is. Size of double. What is size of double? Size of double means it occupies 8 bytes. Size of double means 8 bytes it occupies. Right? What is size of 4.5L? Size of 4.5L. What is size of 4.5L? It is a constant of long double. Size of long double. What is size of long double? It takes 10 bytes. Okay. And size of character. If I write size of A, what is size of A? Right? If I write size of A, if you write size of A in C programming, size of A, if I write size of A, what is size of A here? Here if I write size of A, what is size of A value? What is size of A value? Now it's the size of character. Most of the students will tell that is size of character 1 byte, but all character evaluation done in the form of integer. Size of A means it converts into size of 97. What is size of 97? It's the size of integer, then it occupies 2 bytes. Right? When it gives 1 byte, if I write character ch, now if I write size of ch, then it takes now size of char. Now we take it as size of char. What is size of char? Size of character means 1 byte. Right? You understood, right? When it takes 1 byte, when it takes 2 bytes. Right? If I write size of character equals to A. Right? If I write like this, then it gives 1 byte. Okay? And what is size of void? Size of void. What is size of void? Size of void means, okay, size of void. What is size of void? Size of void means it's a error. Remember, size of void means error. Okay, void means it won't return any value. If I write size of void star, it occupies size of void star. Size of void is error, but size of void star is there. What is size of void star? Size of pointer, it is void pointer. Pointer occupies 2 bytes. Size of void star is 2 bytes. Okay, here all of you observe one thing. Here every time I have written braces here. Braces is mandatory or optional. Okay, here size of is operator, right? Not a function. It's not a function. Okay, when we write parentheses or braces, right? For in C language, when we write braces, when it is a function, we will write. Okay, size of is not a function, it's a operator. Okay, parentheses are optional. Parentheses are optional. Okay, no need to write parentheses. Size of 4, it is equal to size of 4, both are same. Size of 4, we can write like this or like this, both are valid. It won't give any error. And also this is one note 1, and note 2 also is there. What is note 2? When we are working with size of operator doesn't evaluate any expression. Example, plus I have written. What is I value? If I take integer I value is 3, okay, after executing this statement, what is I value? I value is only 3 only. I value is 3. It doesn't evaluate this value within the size of operator. Means this value won't be incremented. That is another note. Okay, you cannot modify value of the variable inside this function, inside this operator, right? Understood, right? Size of operator. What is size of operator? Size of operator returns size of the data type. Okay, what is next operator name? Comma operator. What is comma operator, right? Comma is having least priority. Here you can see in the operator precedence table, it has least priority. Okay, comma is act as two ways. Comma act as separator and as well as comma act as operator. Comma act as separator and act as operator. When it act as operator, when we are declaring variable, if you write like this, then it act as separator. Okay, between the values, then it act as operator. Okay, between the values it act as operator, between the variables it act as separator. Okay, in printf statement also we are writing the statements like the example percentile d and percentile d and percentile e. Here we will write x comma y comma z. This is here also it act as separator only. Okay, between the conditions, if I write 2 greater than 5 and 4 greater than 5, then it act as operator. Okay, separator means it separates the values, that is okay. What is comma operator? Comma operator means it returns, right side value. Means if I write 2 comma 3 comma 4, then what is the value? If I write 2 comma 3 comma 4, then value is 4. You understood, right? Okay, example, can I write like this? This is valid or not? Int x equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. This is error. We shouldn't write like this. This is declaration error. Initialization time you cannot write like this, but when it is valid we can write like this, 10 comma 20 comma 30. This is valid. Okay, this is valid. And we can write like this also, x equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, check these two expression. We have 10 comma 20 comma 30 and 10 comma 20 comma 30 within the parenthesis, without parenthesis. Then here what is x value? You know, here comma has least priority, but whenever you are writing in the parenthesis, it takes first priority. First this value it takes. Now it evaluates this value. Okay, after evaluating this expression, 10 comma 20 comma 30 means comma operator. What is comma operator? 30 value assigns to x. Now it takes 30. Okay, in this expression what will happen? Which operator having higher priority, equals to or comma? See the operator precedence. Here assignment is having higher priority than comma. Okay, first assignment will be performed. First assignment, which value will be assignment? First 10 value will be assigned to x. Now x value is how much? X takes 10. After that this value will be evaluated but it won't assign to x. You understood, right? X takes 10, x takes 10, but it won't evaluate. Okay, you understood, right? Okay, one more expression. I equals to, if I write minus 5, I equals to minus 5. Now if I write x equals to plus I comma plus I comma plus I, then what is x value? Okay, come to this expression, what it takes. If you write like this, now x value take it as plus I. Minus 5 means minus 4, here it takes minus 4 plus I, minus 3 and plus I, minus 2. Now what is x value? Parentheses are there, first this value will be evaluated. Now comma operator returns right side value. Now x it takes minus 2, x value minus 2. You understood, right? Comma operator means it returns a right side value. Okay, this is special operator, comma and size of. Remaining two operators I will discuss at the time of pointers. Okay.